Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing household appliances as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into video number 337. How to fix the Samsung washing machine E6 error code, meaning, causes, and solutions for 2025. If your Samsung washer is displaying that pesky E6 code, you're in the right place. This error can be a real headache, but don't worry. I'll break it down step by step so you can get your machine up and running in no time. First off, let's talk about what the E6 error actually means. In Samsung washing machines, the E6 code typically signals an issue with the water level or pressure system. It often pops up when the machine detects that the water isn't filling properly or if there's a problem with the pressure sensor. This could leave you with a machine that's just sitting there, not doing its job. Now, why does this happen? There are a few common causes. One is a clogged inlet filter or hose, which restricts water flow. Another is low water pressure from your home's supply, maybe due to a faulty valve or even issues with the municipal water system. Additionally, a malfunctioning pressure switch or sensor could be the culprit, which might need a bit more technical attention. Alright, let's get to the good part, the solutions. Start by unplugging your washing machine and turning off the water supply for safety. First, check and clean the inlet filter. It's usually located at the back where the hose connects. Remove any debris or buildup. Next, ensure your water pressure is adequate by testing the faucet connected to the machine. If it's low, you might need to contact your water provider or a plumber. If that doesn't fix it, try resetting the machine. Plug it back in, press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds, then run a test cycle. Still no luck? You may need to inspect the pressure switch or sensor, but if you're not comfortable with that, it's time to call a professional technician. Remember, always prioritize safety when dealing with electrical appliances. There you have it, a straightforward guide to tackling the E6 error on your Samsung washing machine. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay handy.